Okay, so this is a, what's it called? A response. Sorry, I'm a bit sick here. To Shane Dawson's sex video. That would have sounded so weird. My mom told me about it, but that wasn't enough. So she made me read about it. That wasn't enough either. She made me watch it. Still not enough. So she made me watch her do it. And now I'm scarred for life. Yes, my mom made me watch her. Ugh. Yeah, that was horrible. And now I don't think I want to do it till I'm like 20-ish, maybe more. My friend's already done it. Like, I have lots of friends who've already had sex, but I'm a virgin. I'm such a good little girl. Not really, no. Anyways, yeah, so I told you about how far they went. Yeah, so anyways, I'll let you guys go. Bye.